What's the key to creating anti-inflammatory dishes? Inflammation is your body's way of defending itself against harm. It's a natural response to injury or infection, but when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to various health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. However, the food we eat can either cause or fight inflammation. Creating anti-inflammatory dishes involves choosing ingredients and cooking methods that help reduce inflammation in the body. In this video we explore how to choose the right ingredients, cooking methods for anti-inflammatory dishes, and balanced and varied meals, so watch until the end to get all the details. Choosing the right ingredients. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Aim for a colorful plate filled with a variety of fruits and vegetables. These plant-based foods are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which help combat inflammation. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and bell peppers are excellent choices. 2. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your dishes. These fats contain omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, which have anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats instead of refined grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber and nutrients that help reduce inflammation. 4. Lean proteins. Choose lean protein sources such as fish, poultry, tofu, and legumes. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are particularly beneficial due to their omega-3 fatty acid content. 5. Herbs and spices. Flavor your dishes with herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon. These ingredients not only add taste but also contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Cooking methods for anti-inflammatory dishes. 1. Steam, boil, or bake. Cooking methods that involve steaming, boiling, or baking are better than frying when it comes to reducing inflammation. These methods help preserve the nutrients in foods without adding excess unhealthy fats. 2. Limit saturated fats. Minimize the use of butter, lard, and other sources of saturated fats in your cooking. Instead, use healthier fats like olive oil or avocado oil in moderation. 3. Avoid added sugars. Reduce or eliminate added sugars from your dishes as they can contribute to inflammation. Instead, sweeten dishes naturally with fruits or small amounts of honey or maple syrup. 4. Include fermented foods. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your meals. These foods contain probiotics, which promote gut health and may help reduce inflammation. 5. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps flush toxins from the body and supports overall health, including reducing inflammation. Balanced and varied meals. Creating anti-inflammatory dishes isn't just about individual ingredients or cooking methods, it's about the overall balance and variety in your meals. Aim for a diverse diet that includes a range of nutrients and flavors from different food groups. Incorporate whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Experiment with different cooking techniques and flavor combinations to keep your meals interesting and satisfying. By prioritizing variety and balance, you ensure that your body receives various nutrients and phytonutrients, which work synergistically to combat inflammation and promote optimal health. By choosing the right ingredients, cooking methods, and maintaining a balanced diet, you can create delicious dishes that help reduce inflammation in your body. Experiment with new recipes, flavors, and cooking techniques to discover the perfect anti-inflammatory meals for you. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being over time. If you found the information beneficial, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and guidance on leading a healthy lifestyle.